Hi guys, and welcome to the Hoover unboxing of Hoover Breeze Evo. This is the latest Tesco special, and apparently it is born innovative. Now, what that means exactly from a Hoover, who knows? Let's get on with the unboxing. So we've got our quality sellotape, probably made by Duck themselves. Slices right through, nice and clean. That's exactly what you want from an unboxing. Nice clean sellotape to slice. Okay, let's see where we go next. And the box is made of cardboard, high quality material, great throughout the 21st century. Comes with Hoover stuff on the top and some form of plastic. What this is exactly, it's probably some kind of attachment for the Hoover, and we'll see how it goes. Now we've got a nice little egg carton on top. It really adds to the suspense of the unboxing. Multiple angles. Now we get down to the real gritty stuff. Okay, well, you can't unbox with one hand. We've got a handle, that's useful. You'll need that in your Hoover. Now, as you can see, this isn't much of an unboxing video because you can't really unbox something that you can't move. Finally, she takes the hint. Proper meaty Hoover. That's what you need. Steve Irwin would have just hoovered up his crocodiles with this instead of wrestling them. Egg cartons either side for extra protection. It's unboxed. Now it looked like it was broken for a second there, but I assure you it's not. Nice plastic wrapping, which is always great fun to take to the tip. A turquoise blue Hoover. Now you can really see how the wheels glide, as you would expect from a Hoover. It also has a form of connection to 240 Great British volts. That's what you want. I've lost the handle. Handle discovered. Not a clue how that handle goes on. Probably by unscrewing this massive screw. Now, if you're like me and you're busy, you don't have time for a screwdriver, just stab it with a knife until it goes through. And that won't work, and then you'll go and get a screwdriver. Or just twist it. There we go. Nice and simple. I'm not going to screw this all the way on camera because that would be incredibly boring, but I assure you it goes the full 360 degrees time and time again. I've lost my clip.